This is the MistAway Gen 3 Plus misting system. We're going to go over the outside features. First of all, it comes in a nice weather protected cabinet. It's lockable. It's got two great handholds, one on each side. You can see those. It also has an indicator light, a red indicator light, which if it's not on, it just means the system is idle or it's disconnected, like it is now. If it flashes rapidly, it's about to mist. If there's a solid light, then it's actually executing a mist. It's during the mist cycle. And if it's flashing slowly, it means one of three things. Either it's empty, the remote has pressed a skip next mist, or there's an error condition, which can be read on the inside controller. The unit comes with 15 feet of electrical cord. That's quite a generous length of cord. Gives you a lot of options on placing the unit. On this side of the cabinet, there's a port to access adjustment for the pump. They are set at the factory, but if you've got depending on your nozzle circuit, you may have to tweak that a little bit. And all you do is you take a flathead screwdriver, goes in here, and you might tweak that pressure, set it up no more than 250 psi. But that's how you do it, and there's a little cap that covers that, and that's included with the system. Underneath, we've got the built-in, the chassis has got the 4 legs built in, so it stands up off the ground. And then over on this side, we've got the 3/8 water inlet connection. And then above that is the 1/4 inch nozzle circuit outlet port. So there you have it. Those are the features, the outside features of the MistAway Gen 3 Plus. Next is the interior features. This is the MistAway Gen 3 Plus misting system. We're going to go over some of the interior features. Inside you'll find a label. It's mistaway.com/90500. This is where you can go to get some online setup information. You can also download a manual, and there's troubleshooting information there as well. You'll notice that the receiver here is an iMist2 receiver. This means that if you buy the optional gateway and service, that you can use your smartphone to control this system. So this Gen 3 Plus has everything it needs to be on the internet with the purchase of the gateway and service. Here we've got a sticker that shows a lot of the more frequently used commands, and it's just handy, but it's not a full manual, but it's handy for you to, is a memory jogger. Next, we're going to go over the factory finish kit. The finish kit looks just like this when you receive the unit, and we're going to go over that next.